Hello world, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to teach you about the pass keyword. Pass keyword is basically used to do an empty operation. It is used where a statement is syntactically needed but we don't want to use any executable statement at its place currently. So let's say if we are developing any piece of code and we don't have the requirement to implement particular piece of code currently, so there we can use pass statement. It can be used anywhere like in loops, for while loops, conditional statements, if else, etc. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I have written a piece of code here. So a value is 34 and I have written down the logic that if a is greater than 5 then print high, else pass. So for values of a greater than 5 I have the logic to implement, that is print high. But if the value of a is less than 5 I don't have any logic to implement currently. Let's say the requirement is not clear right now what I have to implement if the value of a is less than 5. So I'll provide the pass statement here. So if I'll run with a equal to 34, it will print high. But let's say if I'll give a equal to 3, so it will come in the else part and it will just pass. Let's say else is syntactically needed in my program. So when I'll run this, it will do nothing, it will just pass. So many of you are thinking that instead of using the pass statement or instead of using the pass keyword, we can directly put an informational comment, right? Let's see that how it works. So I'm putting an informational comment, nothing to implement. And if I'll run this program, it will throw me the indentation error. It is telling that expected as indented block after else. So after else it is expecting some statements with the proper indentation, and if I'm just giving one liner comment, it is not considering this comment as an statement. At least one statement is needed in that case. So that's why we use the pass keyword. So this is the simple usage of pass keyword. Why pass is required? So pass is required when we require some part of the program syntactically, but we don't want to implement currently. Maybe we will implement in future, or we don't want to implement at all, but that needs to be syntactically present in the code.